This is MFR Off-Road Rider, back with another video. I'm down at the river bar today by the Van Duzen. They're getting ready to, or they're taking gravel off the river bar to control erosion. Is pretty much what they do this time of year. But the Van Duzen's dried up going to the Eel River, so yeah, let's go check out some of the roads that they made to make it a little easier to ride on the river bar than get stuck in this soft, silty sand stuff. But anyway, I'm up to 918 subscribers, and this will be my 306th video. So yeah, I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Give me thumbs ups, all the positive comments, much appreciated. Like I said, I do this just for fun and for content, for everybody's enjoyment. So let's get going. I'm on the Honda 2021 Honda Crf 300L Rally. I got 3,431 miles. Enjoying it. It's a little overcast and hazy from we're back into the fire season full force, and we've got a couple fires pretty close to here that's bringing a lot of smoke. So it's been like this most of the day. The sun's trying to peek through between the overcast skies and the smoke and haze. Here's the dump trucks that they're six-wheelers. They haul the gravel off the river bar. The Eel River's flowing still pretty good, but the Van Duzen's pretty much dried up here a ways, where they put in a bridge to cross the river bed. They really didn't need to put a bridge because there's no water, but I guess they have to because, yeah. They don't want to leak fuel and stuff like that in the riverbed, because there's still water flowing underneath the ground a little bit. Oh, I better go this way. They haven't quite packed down the roads. They just put this in. I think they just started last week or the week before hauling gravel, so it hasn't really packed down much like it normally is, but it is been pretty dry too. We did get a little bit of rain. I think it was Thursday. I think it was Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Not much, not just a trace, but pretty muggy though, but not too bad. They have to come out and survey and check to see where the high spots of the riverbed is to take the gravel off. They can't just start digging holes everywhere. There's only certain spots they can take the gravel from. And they can only take so much. See, this was the river just last week. It's already stopped flowing. Pretty wild how quickly it dries up when you don't get rain, but I figured we'd have a lot more. This wouldn't happen so early, because we did get quite a bit of rain, and they said that the snowpack and everything was higher and all that, but it sure didn't last. Seems like it dried up faster this year than it did last year, and we had less rain, so I don't know what's the cause of that, but oh, it's getting steamed up. There's some four-wheelers and three-wheelers down here riding too. I heard them earlier. Yeah, for all you Tenere 700 fans, they come out with the World Raid Tenere 700, and I don't know if it's coming to the US or not, but it sounds like it's pretty pricey. I was watching YouTube and watching some videos on it, and in the UK or in the Australia, it's $25,600 and some odd dollars for the World Raid, which is pretty pricey. It used to be, you know, the basic model was, when it first came out, was under 10 grand, and now the base model is up to like 15 or something like that, the newer models. So that's too bad. I thought it was going to be an affordable adventure bike, but it seems to be getting too popular, and Yamaha realized that and raised the price. Of course, the prices have been raised on a lot of things recently. I mean, look at fuels. Gas prices are already $5.69, I think it is. Yeah, for regular, so regular unleaded. So yeah, it's no surprise that everything else went up along with it. And of course, they're blaming it on the war in the Ukraine, and then the global warming and all that kind of stuff. But I don't believe all the hype, but or all those reasons, but they got to have something to justify it. I don't know if they put any roads over here yet. They normally take gravel from over here as well, but I don't know if they've, it doesn't look like they've started yet. We'll find out. Putting in roads over here, not sure. Doesn't look like it. I don't see any big tracks. Doesn't look like they have. Looks about the same but when I came over here last time. Pretty much the same. Whoa, a little soft. I think I'm going to stick to the main roads. Last time I went off the beaten path and it got so soft that it was pretty tough to ride because it just kept burying, just kept digging in. I used to go down this wash. I used to have a trail here, right down there. Still got a little bit of a flow here, but pretty much peters out on down the ways a little bit. through another wash. I think I need to find the main trail. Got myself in trouble last time I was down here when I tried to make my own trail on the river bar. Almost ended up getting stuck. Don't want to do that. Yeah, you can do just about anything you want to do on this bike. If you got the skills and you're brave enough, or I know where that road goes. Let's go over that way. Whatever your skill level is. Oops, stalled it. Like I said, there hasn't been anything I haven't been able to do on this bike so far. I'm not the world's greatest off-road rider, but gotten a lot more confidence. Oh, I'm not going that way. That looks too soft for me. I'll end up getting stuck. Stuff's like sugar. Yeah, it is. The only reason I don't ride more aggressive and take chances is because I do most of all my riding, 90%, 95% is by myself, so you don't want to get yourself in a situation you can't get yourself out of. I've only needed help so far on one adventure I was on, and the only reason that was is I got a flat rear tire. But I had to call for help and bring a trailer and pick up my bike. But other than that, I've been pretty conscientious of where I go, not trying to do too much so I don't get myself in trouble or get hurt. It's the last thing you want to do. But I've gotten a lot better and a lot more confident riding this bike off-road than I was before I got this bike. I had a big adventure bike, and it was tough to be confident on it because of the weight. I just didn't want to drop it and lay it down. Because it's definitely hard to pick up. About time to replace the front tire on this. The front tire starting to cup a little bit, so I've already got another set of tires, Tusk D Sports, which I really enjoy, really like. for the price, and the handling of it is perfect, so I'm going to stick with them. You may not get as long a life out of them as some, but like I said, they're inexpensive tires, so you can afford to buy a couple of them, you know. Like I said before, I just get out and do this so it gets me out riding, and gives a little content about our area in Northern California, and show you some sights and stuff of what we got to offer in California, Northern California. I don't know how these vehicles got in here. Don't know. But hopefully they'll have some more trails laid down and packed down, so maybe we can go farther and cross the Eel River this time. Going through the rock garden. This was where the channel of the Van Duzen was. As you can see, the moss. Whoa. Whoa. Can handle just about anything you want to throw at it, and reliable. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video right here. Done enough running around here on the river bar today. I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Give me thumbs ups, all the positive comments, much appreciated. Hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell for the release of my next video, which is on Saturday or Sundays. For your enjoyment, pleasure. This is MFR Off-Road Rider. See you on the next one. Later.